I just finished recording example 12.5 on your book by doing manual calculations, and now I want to show you how many minutes you take you to solve the same problem by using the data analysis in Excel. So go to data analysis, make sure it's installed. To do that, you have to make sure you go in File Options and Add-ins. Make sure the add-in shows Excel and make sure the analysis tool pack is installed and then do go and OK. I've gone through that before. So just go to data analysis, choose the first feature on the top, ANOVA single factor right there. Your input range is going to be your table right here, Tommy, Tara, Nix, and the values don't include the sum and the average, just the actual values from the problem. They are grouped by columns, 1, 2, 3 columns. Remember, there are labels in the first row, Tommy, Terry, and Nick's plants. Alpha, the problem asks for a 3%. In my output range, I'm going to put it right over here, and I'm going to do OK. This is how long it will take you to do the same problem by using the data analysis, which took you, what, a few seconds because I was explaining a few more things. Let's just reduce the amount of digits over here. So now you can just compare all the values that you manually did. Here's the sum. This values over here. Okay, so this is your sum over there. Here it's your average and variance. Okay, so this is my average. These are my variances over here on the bottom. And right here, my SS between groups is 413, right there. And then my SS within groups is 185.20 over here. My degrees of freedom for my numerator is 2. Remember, 3 minus 1. My degrees of freedom for my denominator is 12, which is going to be 15 total minus 3 for each kid. My MS between groups is 2.07 over here, remember? Then my MS within groups is 15.43 over here. Okay, my F statistic, I can even put one more digit. If you remember, is 0.134. My p-value, which I told you was about 88%, let's make it percent. And here is one more piece, which is my F critical, which you can go ahead and use this table over here, which makes it much easier. So right here, we can see that my F statistic, 0.134, is less than my F critical, correct? Which is 4.76. So if my F statistic is less than my F critical, we do not reject. So again, there is the answer right there. Do not reject. So do not reject. So we say they're about the same. We cannot say that they are different. And then you would be done with this problem in about 3 minutes by using the data analysis. So I sure hope this convinced you to use Excel since it's there for you to use. Thank you.